guys are doing good today. So today I'm going to tell you that what is righty out and what is lefty out. So before I move on, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. So righty out is an algorithm for 3x3. You can use in most of your cubes. So before I move on, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. So righty out is actually R from the right, which is clockwise, U on the top, which is also clockwise, R prime, which is anti-clockwise from the right, and U prime from the top. So this is called your righty out, like R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 R, U, R prime, U prime. So this is what your righty out. Now I'm going to tell you that what is lefty out. Lefty out is actually L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, left side anti-clockwise, U prime, upper portion clockwise, anti-clockwise, L, left clockwise, and U, upper portion clockwise. So that what is your lefty out. So as you can see, this is a solved cube. So I'm gonna do righty out and lefty out on this one, and you will see what they do. R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 R, U, R prime, U prime. So it's again solved. I will do with the left side, lefty out. L prime, U prime, L, U, 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 L prime, U prime, L, U. So this is what is righty out and the lefty out. So you can apply this on 2x2, 4x4, 5x4, 5x5, and a lot more cubes which are in like 6x6, 7x6. So that's all for today, and go ahead and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please press the like button and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I post my new video. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.